If you're dealing with a dishwasher that's not as fresh as it used to be, or you're noticing residue and odors, I'm here to walk you through how to clean dishwasher with finish. Regular cleaning is essential for maintaining your dishwasher's performance, and using the right cleaner can make a big difference in how effective and easy the process is. Let's start by addressing why cleaning your dishwasher is so important. Over time, food particles, grease, and mineral buildup can accumulate inside the machine, particularly in areas like the spray arms, filters, and drain. These buildups not only cause unpleasant smells but can also reduce your dishwasher's efficiency. That's where Finish Dishwasher Cleaner comes in handy. It's designed to remove the grime that builds up in those hard-to-reach spots, helping your dishwasher run smoothly and smell fresh. To begin with how to clean dishwasher with finish, you'll want to make sure your dishwasher is completely empty. Remove any dishes, silverware, and racks if possible, so the cleaner can reach all the internal surfaces without any obstructions. Next, check the drain area at the bottom of the dishwasher for any large particles or debris that may be trapped. Removing any visible food particles here will allow the cleaner to work more effectively. Once that's done, take your bottle of Finish Dishwasher Cleaner. There's no need to open the cap. Just place the bottle upside down in the bottom rack, making sure it's secure. Select a cycle with the highest temperature setting. This heat is essential as it activates the cleaning solution, allowing it to dissolve buildup and remove hidden grease and limescale. As the cycle runs, Finish's specially formulated cleaner will target all the tough grime and mineral deposits inside the dishwasher. One of the great things about learning how to clean dishwasher with Finish is that the process is hands-free. The cleaner does all the work for you, reaching areas like the spray, arms, and heating element that are tricky to clean manually. When the cycle finishes, open the dishwasher to let it air out for a few minutes. You should immediately notice a difference in smell. It should be fresher. Also, take a look at the interior walls and door seals. You'll likely see that they're free of buildup, with a noticeably cleaner surface. Incorporating this cleaning process once a month is ideal to keep your dishwasher in top shape. Regular cleaning helps prevent odors, reduces the chance of clogging, and keeps your dishes looking their best. So now that you know how to clean dishwasher with Finish, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a well-maintained appliance. A clean dishwasher isn't just about sparkling dishes. It's about the longevity and efficiency of your machine. Take a few minutes each month to follow these steps, and you'll keep your dishwasher running like new for years to come.